What's up?
My bad.
Wait, you're good. They're like literally still not ready. Get ready. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Oh, let's go. What? She's just... How is your... Where'd you go?
Hi. I went to Mito in Sawtell.
Oh,
I
is
did
it
a
good?
workout class and then I like went. It's actually really good. It was like hometown like cooking, you know. It was like these Chinese, it was like a big like Chinese group, and then the guy was like, my rice is hard in the middle, and like brought it back.
Oh.
And I was
So he wants you.
What?
no.
What did you just say? You told him your rice.
Bro was hard. Bro was...
No, his rice was hard. Like he sent
Not
it back
his
to the kitchen.
dick.
I thought you. Oh.
Girl, not at Mito. No, yeah, and then the like waitress gave us free like dessert
Alright.
like on the house.
She wants you.
So she actually wants me. No,
Yeah.
but like because we were nice.
You stand.
We're not gonna know how to fucking open this. Not really gonna like.
Oh my god, why is the furniture store popping?
But then we'll.
Wait, let's go. Why is it low-key? That's the spot.
Can we just go after?
Yeah, let's go after. We have to go after.
Probably like a hidden bar, no?
Furniture. Yeah.
Where is this place?
To the right, to the right, to the right, to the right. It's going so I have to pee already.
Oh my god.
The fucking like lights. It's quite sad. How do you feel about Chinese people? Pink chili.
That's set. But if someone throws it out and it's a pone, then you can just get it from anywhere.
Oh, they already like declare it before they like put it out.
Yeah, like you see how it's like out there right now. So he pulled that because it's 8, 8, 8. So someone threw out an 8. So now it's even pone because he already had 2 8s. You know what I mean? Yeah. But then if the person, the one character one, so like I could pone this or like save it as a pair or something.
We're at furniture now.
This is furniture.
Oh, it's kind of dead. Are you guys closed? Oh, okay. What are your hours usually?
On weekdays we're 5 to 11 and then, or 6 to 11 and then No, 5 for nothing, and then on weekends we're 5 for nothing.
I see. Okay, thank you.
So we actually just left
Furniture was
furniture.
closed. Furniture was closed.
It's kind of sad.
Yeah. Let's go to first porn.
That's what I'm saying. I finished.
Wait, I want to see the chat. Go back to the chat.
Wait, people are saying stuff here.
What are they saying?
Okay, sir, teenage. Oh. Why are they talking about teenage mutant ninja turtles?
Donatello.
Why
Wait,
are
my
they
favorite is Michelangelo. Oh, that's real. That's real. That's real.
Okay.
Send it.
Coming now. Oh my god! How the fuck did I not?
Start! Hurry! Rotate! No! 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 Hit! 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 Rotate! Hit! Rotate! Wait, we can't lose, bro.
Why is it 50? Why is it 50, bruh?
Wait, yeah, what the hell?
Shut up! No!
No! Fuck! Fuck!
Bro, we were too slow. How do they do it so fast? What he says in his videos? Is that what he says in his videos? Oh, he's searching up Korean.
Wait, damn. Oh my god!
That's definitely the first one.
Charlie, my cat. Or sorry, again. Oh my god. Wait, film this. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
The immediate pause on the other video.
Oh my god!
The beginning is so.
I'm actually crying. This is the best thing that's ever happened to me in my entire life.
Well, you can barely see yourself.
It's okay. Oh my god, Laura's visuals!
Like the way that the beginning is literally all in a different like language.
I know.